Look at this brake disc. It has grooves. It has become like a vinyl record. It needs to be changed. Now look at the brake pad. She took these stripes from the disc. She became the same. It's bad if a new and smooth disc works with such an uneven pad. It will harm it. It is necessary to change the brake pad to a new one when replacing the disc with a new one. Otherwise, it will be a mistake. Stripes from the pad may go to the new disc.